Program number 14. Write a program to obtain temperature in Fahrenheit and convert it into Celsius using formula Celsius equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So what you will do? First you take as an input Fahrenheit equal to int input into temperature in Fahrenheit Now write the formula of Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32, then multiplication 5 by 9. Now call to the print command. Then temperature in Celsius equal to C. I have taken temperature input command in the integer. So I have to take as a value is integer 45 suppose. Okay. Celsius. Now what we'll do? This one will convert as a float data type. Now run it. See, float data type is accepting both integer and float. See, answer is given. Now again we have to run. This is float data type, but input I have taken as a integer. Now 45.87. So this is the output. So float data type will accept both integer also and decimal value, but int data type only accept integer value, not float value.